Hey guys, we made it out of the sea.
Oh my god. And now we're dripping wet.
Cooking with Nelson. Alright guys, today we're doing something a bit different, a bit crazy, my man. We're doing another Cooking with Nelson, but this time in Vietnam. Yeah.
I'm Rich Goblin.
Yeah. He is Rich Goblin. And I'm Baby Milo. Anyway, today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas to all you guys. Not really, because by the time this is out, it'll be past Merry Christmas, but
New Year.
we're trying to get into the spirit of things. You know, we're in a tropical climate. It's a bit bright, but that's not going to stop us from having a Merry Christmas and lots of voice cracks. All right, guys, so we just got to get our ingredients, and we can start baking. All right.
Ever since we escaped the sea, Nelson's got a drinking problem. Sir! Sam, get out of here! Get out!
So, alright, now we'll just do some, you film me just mixing this together, I guess, so. I'm not even gonna measure this. I'm going solo on here. Okay. Yeah. Delinquents. Alright, so this part of the video, all of our ingredients are destroyed. Oh no, what are we gonna do?
I know. We'll call our good old friend.
There's only one man who could possibly help us in this scenario. His name's Neptune, and he's the god of the sea. Now, we have to unite both of our powers as master chefs to call upon him. All right, fusion.
Who beckons me?
Neptune? I remember you delinquents from Cooking with Nelson 3, Lost at Sea. I don't suppose you'll show that footage someday. Why do you call for my assistance? I thought I gave you much of a thrashing last time. Oh my god, Neptune seems pissed, Tim. I don't know. And why should a deity as myself help a couple of numbskulls cook shortbread cookies for the holidays? I don't even like Santa Claus.
Please, Neptune. Nelson developed a drinking problem after we got lost at sea. He destroyed our sugar cookies. Please, we need your help.
Well, now that you put it that way, I guess I could give you guys a hand. Here, with this magic. Whoop-de-doo! With this one, we can bring back time and bring our batter back to life. Check this out, guys. Whoa! Check that out! Pretty gnarly, man. Now we move on to making the cookies in the shapes. So we've done a limited amount of batter. We're not sure. We're not too sure how these are gonna turn out. Now with these beautiful looking cookies all ready and made, all we gotta do is throw them in our preheated oven. Apparently this should take around 10 minutes.
Let's do 15.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's just put them in.
You're going to love this. Trust me. What you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan.
So, then a problem came up. I realized this was in Celsius, not degrees, so it was way too hot. Alright, now you should be ready, and we should have some very nice shortbread.
Smells good.
Now with such lovely results, we need to let them cool down for a bit. Back in 5. I haven't even eaten one of these, and I'm pretty sure this is a fail. For one, we never put any sugar in them, which is such a darn move. But you know, we had to do a taste test to rank this up. So here's Sam. I'll give you this one, and bon appetit. Oh my god! 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Get the fuck out of my face. We'll throw these out just from like. You don't have
Holy fucking shit. You know what? If the flour wasn't there,
It wouldn't be too bad.
no.
I could almost take it to the plate, but it's so shit.
Well, let's save one. Let's eat it with jam. Save one. Yeah. Strawberry jam.
I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna dunk it.
We're dunking this boy.
That's not bad actually.
Yeah.
With the jam, it honestly becomes like a 6. No joke. Here. But they're so crumbly still. Here, I'm gonna give you.
Yum.
Like you can feel the flour. Mike was right. You can literally feel the flour coming off.
Yummy.
Here's some. Take that bit. Here, it's just.
Jammy?
Well, that was cooked with Nelson.
Kinda bearable.
Yeah, not horrible. Honestly.
Kinda tastes like cough medicine though.
Yeah. Here, just just from this part.
Out of my fucking house.
Sorry, Neptune.
Yeah, fuck you, Neptune. Your one ain't shit.
Stop it! Let go! Ow! Ow!
Can you help film?
I think they actually ate a part. Why did they really have it? What's missing? I'm so mad.
That's probably why he's been throwing up.
No, it's
You
not.
poisoned the poor dog.
No, I didn't, Nelson. But